Welcome back to Toga TV. You know it's your boy Popeye, and I'm representing for Dangerous Live. I tell people, if you now watch right now, you see who no subscribe now. You see who subscribe, share it, and who no subscribe, share it too. We want 1 million views for that show. Yeah. And remember, we are whole heap of come right now. Right now, as we speak, as this job, we still a show same way. Continue share. The more share, the more energy we have to push. But the more or less share, you can't push it. But push it, man. Share it so we can work. Yeah. You still there? The show start. No worry, Ed. See you now. Bye-bye.
So where you have to come with me and shop?
What you mean? Me not listen, you know, take me from my yard and come up here. Me don't really trust you. So me I come with you. Is that a problem?
But me not, I don't see something I buy if you go
no, come, no, I come.
No, everywhere me I go, you have to do that.
Me I go be a tail.
And me tell you, say,
if I work here, I go, I will be there. If I church here, I go, we praise God together. If you go in on a mission, we'll fix it together. Come on. We're going together. You should have made me stay at me yard.
When you go somewhere, me now fight.
Come here, me one big man.
The fish is me trust you. You just trust me alone, go and shop and come back.
No. You trust me, me never tell if you trust me. That's for your business. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yeah, I'm begging a call. No, come, mother.
You don't have credit?
No, I'm not none.
You sure you don't have credit for your phone?
I'm mother, me want call.
$20, ma'am. You don't stay too long. No matter stay too long, you know. Just call and tell him to call her back.
Alright, me not get time. But nice doing business with you.
What do you mean by business?
Come and shop where I go.
No, you know, so me don't want you get paranoid.
Then we are here call for. You don't know someone named No. I look for somebody to give me a call. Take you out and give the homeless people. This is when somebody asks if you have a call. If you say no, no, I don't want it. If you say you don't have no credit.
Come on.
Let's go, one.
What there?
Where you come from?
Say, girl. You just get a one number.
From me, no, you not get my number. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? No, you something look like you know me?
You get money from a man?
Well, me not get it yet. Me just using phone and ring off mine.
But you know say I really idiot.
What you mean?
Kill me dead say a man give you a number.
No, girl. You have to use the good tricks and trade on him. He never dare just get up on him because him and the woman are walking.
Which man that?
You don't know, what name again, man? GX.
Which GX?
You don't know GX?
I could never Chinese man you want.
That said one day. Dark chocolate. Yeah, girl.
Take out the people them dark chocolate, come mad woman that. Leave the people. Every time you want a man. You want a man to do?
She mad but me mother. What you know people doing, man?
You not only carry down shame upon the family, you put the family 6 foot deep.
What you mean by?
It's a disgrace. Every day you walk around with you want man. Man this, man
Man
that.
nice. Then I want me to go look, woman.
You pick up money and I have nothing.
Me look like me a rub crutches. Now do that, man. A straight man to me thing.
I lie you tell.
What you mean?
Every day you come you want man. You soon breed.
All of the when me breed, me can't come give you.
And you know say the war in one night family? You want big stinking war. You want big stinking war.
At least me.
All you do is sell your body.
At least I get money.
Who tell us that Shanice man want you? Shanice man no want something like a you.
He might not want me, but me want him and me have to get him.
Cause you made it no sense. You see some man no want you. What man give you? What man give you? Tell me what man give you.
That they give
I
me.
ain't not nothing in my daytime. You have to come over and auntie you come beg. 24/7 you beg. Beg.
And auntie be supposed to care beg her.
So you take something in your wolf for?
I that me get my whole for no fi take man in a hit. I that give me that God give me whole to do.
No girl.
Take man. And that me I use it.
And if you do like me and go up and marble and make marble teach. You know marble teach me say? Stop for free. And if you want small box food, I want soda. Yeah, and if you go up there, I should teach you. You say marble, anytime man got female, they have to get box food. Box food and soda.
So that yeah,
Cause you do it on dry tripe.
so that yeah sex for
Yeah.
small box food. That
So
is the large one, the small one.
Girl, so me not dead for hungry and she not dead for hungry. But if I see me come at you come back,
Me look like me dead for hungry.
your maga know what about you want people, man.
Who attack?
Girl, me not fat.
Okay.
A sexy. I wish I got me shape.
God, no.
Look at my curves.
Anyways, go about your business.
All
Go about
you
your
do
business.
is take man.
Me
Take
not
man
take
not there,
them.
take man.
People man nice.
I'm broke like dog. Me no see where you get out of it.
Take people man the bride.
But it dirty no.
It's so delicious.
Shanice! How come you can Oh.
Yes, me I drink my good water. When my boyfriend buy, come give me.
Oh.
Sure. What go on?
Girl, you love say about how me mix up, you know. But guess what? Me must see just a come after where did you want your man?
Yes, my one and only man. Feel me, man.
Feel your one and only man.
Yes.
But I make you know this. It's like you have no mirror in your house. May I buy some?
Girl, I have mirror.
That one that can't see your man. Your man too big for that one. That one that's small. So that one
Like, never go bury your eye then.
No, you need some binoculars.
How about name so?
Want something you go so and look through.
My man no live under sea. What me I do with binoculars?
Girl, this is what I have to say to you. One angel drop on the road. I mean not talk about being the angel. Me I talk about the one that come from up above. The one that up a sky. That angel that me I talk
So
about.
me never get that one day.
Girl, I know you go get it. And your man.
My man.
Your man.
I go get that angel. From God?
Yes.
Huh?
I gotta send it come.
My man.
Well, man, make tell this girl, just make sure you watch your man cleanly.
No, that not sound right. Me not understand that one day. Me not understand that. Come again.
Girl,
Yeah.
read between the lines.
No, if you tell me, sing, I tell me.
You don't love to me mix up, you know. I mean, I'm the one to tell you nothing. You sit here 2 years there.
Between the lines.
Yes.
Talk.
Your man?
For my one and only man.
No, girl. For you and an only man.
Yeah, my one and only man.
You have to watch him. Because somebody coming for him. And when the
I want for the little girl they were begging my call.
What you girl beg him call now?
One little chaka girl in here look like you do for Christmas. She now red something with one little battery rider and run out back party here.
Girl, man, you talk about my cousin too. Man, oh, you talk about my cousin.
Is she a talk?
No.
Oh.
She
Then
not
who
talk.
beg the call?
No, the angel. The angel begged the call.
So she beg the call?
All you have to do, I don't
So she gonna take me man?
Girl, me don't know who I take your man, you know. No put words down my mouth. Me just say, watch your man.
One.
You must-
Me not like
you must
you, you not tell me it straight.
Girl.
Never cook my man dinner. My one and only man, cause it's my man. Me not share it.
Girl, Yet about my man, wait till man shame me. Never you dare put your trust in a man.
My man not shame me. If my guy shot me there back here, if my guy work me there and pocket him, not shame me.
When you're there sleep.
Go on from a man, yeah.
No, and that's why you not come a black people. You can't tell black people nothing. Wait till you can take your man.
Mix up.
Forever and will be. Deb! The ugly man did it now. Deb! Someone here. Deb!
How that?
I mean, Kayla. Tip they here?
Kayla. From where?
From down the road. Tip they here?
So you can just come with me and ask me man like that.
Girl, me know Tib. Tib is my friend.
Yeah, but that's not how you ask. Me and girlfriend, they're supposed to have little respect.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Sometimes I don't know manners. Just you come out and say from where. So, me. So, well, I come here and look for Tib. Where's Tib?
No, there.
When will he be back? From when he left?
Why you sounding so adamant? Like say, what you mean so?
Yeah, no, nothing.
Then why you act like that?
Because I want to know which part Tib gone.
Just know he's not here. He will come back soon. You know, live a road. I not like you how you come to me.
I mean, I like you when I come to you, girl. I am man, me come to, not you.
He's not here. In a day here. In a day here. So what issue? Is there any message you can left with me? What you want?
No, the message I have for Tib, stay with Tib. A Tib me come to. What's your name?
Alian. Why?
Okay, Alian. When Tib come, tell Tib say me come to him.
How is that girl now? What's up? The woman fat, so a woman live from.
Tib, come here, my big friend.
Where you do over yard? Where you do over this stuff?
You know, so give me calling card for a little money. And a little big fat sour sitting over there like such wanna argue with me.
Listen, man, put respect to me, woman.
Alright.
Put respect to me, woman. Where you look for me now for?
You can't let me want Toga.
I didn't know. You owe me 10 grand already.
So if you talk about that?
Of course. Listen to me. Only young girl fit up walk around people yard and borrow money. You know, right?
You see me borrow money from nobody? Yeah, anybody me come to and borrow money.
Tell them again, you feel walk up and top walk.
Don't do that.
You don't walk and borrow money. You will lady say, don't walk and borrow. You're a young girl.
What's coming like thief?
So, you must go look work.
Get your honest fear.
Right.
So see what we do? Me not no money.
Papa always encourage young girl over what.
Tell them again.
Papa,
See it.
You
You see it? I mean, never know what I want.
Me love how you got ambition and make your house.
See how we.
Shut up now.
You hear what my neighbor say? Listen to me.
Let me see what your neighbor want to say. I beg me, they beg me not beg me. Let me see what anybody want to say.
How much you want to borrow?
2 grand.
Tell you the youth that tell you what is right, little girl.
Yes.
It is not right. I will forever beg.
You know, if you beg, you feel.
2 grand. What do she? You come.
Alright, I'll transfer it. Because I like transfer it, you know, because when time you're ready for my money, you can't tell me, sir.
You see my embarrassment here? You come power tell your neighbor no say me they beg you.
Yeah, because you beg too much.
Who beg too much? Me not working. What you want me to do?
You see them plastic back there, you see on the road? $1 the company I buy them for.
Me
If you walk around and pick up $1 million of tobacco, you're rich.
Me not go on the road and take up no water bottle. You're lucky. Me should say any money.
So you will walk over people here come beg and take embarrassment.
A year alone me I come beg. Me
Yes,
not
yes, she
go
did
beg.
dash piece for you. Moon have a problem.
Dash piece for who? Dash piece for who? You just see me door over there. You look fat when the pan that come off. Should have mag like a tick.
Me yes, and teeth. Jimmy Fold, you hear about it?
Yes. Dirty Paul do it. Did everything.
Then I did it one time and one time.
No, it was rumor. Rumor.
Rumor no go so. It was in the fall club.
Well, it's because Paul have the big dollars.
Right, anyway, chat too much.
Okay. Thank you.
2 grand. Remember say each 2 grand you borrow is $500 extra.
When me hit the jackpot and me bucky white man, me pay you back. And control your little wild hog we have over there.
No worry about that. Oh gosh, you know cook. I'm tired. Oh Lord.
You know cook.
So what that mean?
You just jump, come in, come sit down. Me have something to ask you. Why this Kayla girl almost every day and come after me and come and ask you? Eh? Who's she? Who's she to you?
So hold on there. Nobody can come and ask me again. Right?
Ask you one. But Tim, we start Tim there. When there? Like what kind of style that your woman?
What me do with she? I'm money she have borrowed from me. Me just see about the road a while ago.
So why have over you so why even if I'm money my borrow from you and I have the command as you know say you live with your woman and him come in your yard come ball out and him and a deal with the situation.
So hold on, me ask you a question now. If a girl really take away your man, you feel say that we have to come so? Are you so big
and you bright. You will make it happen.
Me will never chance that.
You come on. You cook. Eh? Well, me can never ask Kayla if you cook.
Me go nyam from Kayla.
No, your woman. People call you.
I'm a friend.
Any friend.
But me want to eat for her.
I'm a friend.
You want to see how she wash plate?
So you're going yard to see her wash plate now?
No, because me go up there go collect back my money when borrow.
You go up and go collect money.
Yeah.
You think you can take me feed there?
And the same money me give what they have to buy food in your house.
So you tell me say girl mind me?
Jesus, sweet, you see, same thing me I try to show you.
And you tell look at me and tell me say girl mind me?
You know what I know woman
I tell you this, as my man, me will chop off down there.
So why?
So make me find out, say, you this Kayla girl in a nothing. As a matter of fact, you better name cool today. Cause me not cooking. You break and out of that. Come boy if you cook. The girl come and me and ask you. Why not Kayla?
And that's why when you not get born, no, you know. That's why when man they are loyal too, no. Alright. You go on. You see? Why?
You know that I say?
Me I say. Listen what me I say. Who no real man?
Who no real man?
Woman no real man.
Who no what real boy you? Eh?
Everything.
You come and me and ask you every day. Eh? That's a real. That's a real.
I say for one of my brethren come here, you don't say I'm a man. You don't say me a faggot.
No, would I say come here if you come call you to carry you to your girl there, but that would I say. Yes. That would I say. Cause that's all your brethren they know if you do whole of them, you whole set down a whore. What difference?
Me pronounce a whore to you, yeah? I'll tell you what is a whore. You see a whore? A whore is like the mongrel dog them out the road. They don't flash it anyway.
And that you do. Flash it anyway.
So you feel that this a boy, yeah?
Yes, this a boy.
A flash on the face.
Anyway.
This have shame.
Wait, which part?
Shame.
Which part it has shame? I look at one smig like a Kayla. If you come disrespect me in my yard. I go, hey, what him? You don't need to know that. Just tell him every time I come back, when my this, when my that.
Let me ask you a question. When me are in the bedroom and me do an hour, me can go down further. The poor little Jimmy does drop down so can't even get up back.
It no matter. If you did there, let me ask you this. If you did there, a yard there, right? You gone, me gone per road, right? A man come here, come and ask me. Alien!
But that box is...
Alien! Oh, okay.
Me take you back so you're gonna idiot. Come go in, go make love.
But, not love way. Ah!
I talk to you. Oh, you drop asleep already. Oh, you asleep, so you breathe something. Yeah. But me sure no know me.
I'm there.
So you asleep, so. Hey, you waited for you to do that last night.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see Miss Carly, man. No, I don't do no. Oh, no, I can't circle, man. Yeah. Alright, I'll do that then. I'll forward. Alright. I'm a boss.
Then me a talk to you.
I'm a boss.
But me a talk to you. Yeah, tell man say you're free. Me leave you for man or woman.
I'm a boss.
I'm gonna take you back and put you back to bed. Where you go?
I'm a answer woman right
me I make you give me no bun. Me hear about the angel, you know. Me hear about the angel. The same like the angel.
Be me the angel.
Me hear about the angel. And if you feel like you're gonna put me out and carry the angel in there, me burn down this.
Me I forgot.
Where you go? You gotta work every day and me not see money.
My boss call me, I know me have to go.
What you call you for?
Me have to go pack up some things and I didn't get in.
So when you get paid?
Tomorrow. As me get paid, so I get some grocery. As me get paid.
You feel me and Tanya take no fun. You feel me? You see all the little sachets there? I go start inspecting. I go. Me have people who work at health place, you know. Me go tell me what to do. I go turn you over and look. Me don't want to go on.
Alright. You can't say me now again. My boss call me. And me I go work and come back. And
come with
make
money.
It a problem. Tell me never understand me. And then if me sit down
here now, understand and now go try understand, man.
I'm not make no money. You want me go walk and carry something for you.
If you look sensible, walk. Look out the door, look. I'm boss I call you. You're gone. You just wait.
Me glad me see you. Are you me talk to? Oh, me take your number. I call you. Are you not pick up your phone?
What do you mean?
What me mean? I'm here call you your phone and you not answer.
So me never know say me and you in a business.
When I have it in a business for you pick your phone. Me call over 20 times.
Listen me. Me no answer no call for 6 o'clock.
Girl, why you do so?
Why you good?
Yeah, walk and this young lady stop me.
No, about she. But you're too good now.
You know money. Every time you see me, you have a problem with money.
So you tell me say you're a big man, you will fix up house and everything, you know, no money. Dig deep, you're not the Johnny Jock pack. Dig deep. Go in your pocket.
We don't have nothing there. I don't have anything. Me drive.
You don't have no money at all.
I down the road, me I go work. My boss call me right now, I work, me I go.
You dry like a dog, you're not at all.
Dry.
Alright. No moving up. And just say with a new woman. Don't move.
Me and you see what your cause problem
what
now.
Cause?
Me no answer call for 6 o'clock. Do not call me. I have a woman there. We are headpiece no right. You understand?
Well, whether you like it or not, I shall get you.
No, guys, so young lady put
I shall get you. Whether you like it or not, whether you have a woman or not, I shall get that.
Jesus Christ.
Let's tell a friend now.
Rain, you know. You see?
Shanice! Girl, come here! Me say me come and warn you. You come here. Are you to sleep?
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, sleep. Your man up the road a bust out girl tongue. For me cousin Amanda. Your man there suck out in tongue.
Wait.
It's about wait.
No, wait.
Everything. Watch out, you idiot. Girl, tap that and come before you go.
What you say?
Your man up the road a suck out me cousin tongue, man.
Pinch me.
Pinch you. Hurry up.
Sleep then.
Hurry up. Your man, you want to know him man a give you come on, you man up the road. Come, girl! What's up, girl? Hurry up, girl.
Oh, far we are going and then hurry up, no, me can't see nothing.
Christ, man.
What one?
It's like if you hurry up a bit, then gonna right so then indeed there. Right as so.
You know me take you back and bust your head.
You bust my head for.
If they need it right as so then gone now.
Girl, no more than a stop chat and gone with security and go pinch me, rub out me eye. Right up at the indeed there.
You know, say me man tell me say a lie, tell me just come for prove it wrong, you know. Cause my man now give me no bone. I work, my man gone.
Girl, me say you're mad with my 2 eye. Like she's up. My cousin.
Say no, should I hold the girl and ask her what she do?
No. You say you're a man, so you can't see a man yourself.
So what the man there?
Your man that must gone when that go before.
I work him gone.
Take it, put it back now. Put it back now. Man out of your beat. Put it back now. Put it back now.
I might beat you.
Me.
Where the man there?
Girl, if the man just saw the man for the call your man, then you have phone and you're a man the power with woman.
You see me left out with no phone. They tell me say my man there, so me I come for me man for carry him home. Where him there?
Girl, me see a man right so with me cousin and suck out tongue and hug up.
Me don't believe you, no, but me should have left me yard. Me should have go back go sleep. I just want to prove you wrong. It all mix up.
Girl, if you want to prove me wrong, you come out I was with back if you bust up girl face. Can't matter no,
you know, me take you bus for your one instead.
What's for head?
It all mix up.
How to mix up?
Don't talk back to me. Can you see it? Me left out of my nice man bed. Same out here with woman. Where am there? I must me man that. I must him that on the ground.
Your man is out there. Your man gone to take a little time and muggle your little body go up. Just go and back up, here. Cause you just waste me time.
And I'm muggle bend my foot bend up.
See that girl back up your yard?
Girl, go on.
Wait till I catch your man. Me a go now.
Yeah, me liar.
Hello.
Evening.
Evening, how are you?
I'm fine.
You look fine too.
No. Make up your mind. Why you stop me?
Then tell her why me stopping me like you. What you mean?
You can't like persons adjust to them. No. You can't run them joke there. Me I come from my business, right? Hello, good evening. You like me. But you beg me a money and done, because you look like
you know what same money me want?
Because of that only a young girl do. Also, see a man, hi, hello. Me never yet see one now stop and say, see a money here, sir. Hi, hello, then begging start. What you tell me in your mouth? From me see tell me know say you're freaky.
Yeah. Oh, you know say tongue ring in the mouth. If you never focus on the mouth, you just say tongue ring in the mouth.
Mama, I touch it, you don't see me can push out them tongue. I saw me see they come out, see that.
Anyways, we can't make it 10 grand.
You ever work
before? R5.
You ever work before?
Of course, my work.
You know how work spell?
You know how work spell.
If you spell work back way, me give you 10 grand.
K-O. K-O-R-W.
Me say if you spell work back way.
Then no back way, me spell it.
No.
What you mean, no?
If you spell work back way.
We just spell it back way a while ago.
Work can't spell back way. You can never spell work back way. You, how school you go?
Take man
work
college.
spell one way.
Take man college.
Way. Mama, listen to me, Tappy. Stop. Walk up. How you look down so far?
Yeah, money here.
Listen to me. Me tell you if you spell work back way. Work cannot spell back way. Because a one way work spell. W-O-R-K. You don't spell work no K-O-R-W. Don't do them sitting there. You know work so. Don't do it. Learn something in your head.
Shame me. You have to load up a mouth so you don't see people over there so.
I'm in our business. Learn. Be here.
Well, me pass through school already.
Go look walk. Me have a woman that me here. Me don't want no other woman. Me satisfied.
If you buy the hook or buy the crook, me have to get you. You so me done with you? Your maga don't owe your maga. Go on by your business. Go on now.
No mention nothing about maga, you know. Cause right now map stick me all up on.
At least me look like mapstick. What you look like?
The big part of the head part and the little part down the bottom.
Go on. Tell me I forget you. Go on. Lead the road.
For you can get me, you have to take out the snake eye. You have to take out the long fingernail because you can't need dumpling with them.
Me no plan to
so
need no flour.
So say you can't cook.
I no plan if me can't cook.
Your ear, you just say, Me look on the good, because I know why you say me ashamed, you know. But you look like when you ever watch Zachariah Dumpling, or where one named Zachariah Dumpling.
How for you look? Take off your hat, let me see it. Yeah, this crime right here. Let me see for you.
Go on. All I do, I walk around and take man like I went time.
I mean, I tap take them now. Go on. Are you next on your list?
You come like your dream.
Dream?
As a
car. See me a dream or a reality?
I never can't tell. I was singing. You must be dreaming.
It was soon, not me a dream. Or for real. I shall get you.
I am. Hello. Pat something. Tim! Let's go there. Every day you come and ask the tib. What you have me, man, inna? Oh, see me.
What, a night, no? A night, no.
Okay. That's not the friend come over here. Okay.
Wow, okay with that.
Okay, no. Me glad you finally reach her yard when him there.
Where you now?
It don't matter, me there me yard. Me there me yard. Me there not get call catch up on road.
But you the farm veranda people are walk past.
It don't matter, me comfort. Me in my zone. Where she a do ya?
Hello, where you there?
No, let me show you my dear. And that thing come here can do. Where is she inna?
Look for me good.
Where is she inna?
Look for me good. She could be my woman, she look like my daughter.
Yes, she could be a woman. It no matter. Where is she inna? Every day she come beat down my door. Go on with herself and
tell you already, you want me to tell you?
I'ma tell you something.
You know me when I want to see me.
You see it? I'ma tell you something now. I have fear woman. Miss Iron. Table could chang body woman over here when I go know about that catch up in a bed. At the time, me tell you this, me don't want you man. If you don't want you man, but I take your man. You think me come do? It's big money and big money come. So if you don't want you man, me just lay down and skin out and squat it back over. So that easy for you deal with that. Yeah. So big money I give she and I give me dollar. When she beg, so she come beg you out and want give me money.
How you wicked so?
You know why give me money?
You don't get money when you borrow. It's come like a partner. The more you borrow it and pile up and you come pay me back, me give it.
You
come like a
tell me say girl mind me. You hear me tell me so?
How you feel mind and my money?
Yeah, tell me say I mind my money because I get it from because give it to me.
Where she get it from?
Where you two are inna?
She can barely buy t-shirt for her backside.
Where two are inna? We don't inna no. Tell me need she fi stop. Come here, come here. You door. No, just me backside. Just where? You
don't trust me?
Trust not even their shop. How me fi trust you?
The amount of time you come in at night time she skin over me little boy. I search it. And you not trust me?
She know, my tell you she not trust. You see? You see where she big? She have a friend so little slim body woman them we take you away cause we don't know where to do it a big so. So no, but you come from the veranda. Hello, disrespect me. Control a bull buck. Control my buck me. So let me ask you something. If you did have a man, and every chance me gonna your man yard. Girl. John Paul. I call you your man. What's your first of all, I don't have no man come on a dog. I say I don't have a man. If you call me here from bank, so me not afraid cause I got my man head lock. We are talking about. Oh, so try say you your man. See now if you fret me come back pay do and don't fret about me cause a box food me do things for. Me don't do things for free. One box food and me good. Me no old man. Oh, say me if you tell me say a box food you buy game.
But you don't say I want
to give a house you have to give me. House me want from him. Big mansion. Okay. Up on the hills. Okay. You know clear as day.
If your feet
so that's why keep on a borrow money.
If your feet want see you're local.
Me don't want to tell this. So what do me? If me did want you, what do me?
Not there, you're just mad. You're just mad.
I'm in front of me, I'm going to work conversation with girl. Listen to me. Fat son. She want to do it, you know.
Oh, yeah, cause she. Oh, yeah, cause she. Me?
Did I mistake me make? You want to do it. So you look like me have to go do it. Listen to me. Listen to me. You see this a veranda, yeah? You see as long as I see this a yard, yeah? Oh, well, I can't just pull back. Can't you pull back? So your man.
Why, yeah?
Every time time him come papa. And you, let him know my money and see.
You get a bad.
You want to cross his one too.
So you let me for?
Do not make that girl come back here. I mean, you have problems, you know.
I'm here, brother.
What me say? She never come back here, stop lending money. Papi sure. Or partner.
Oh boy, you're wicked, man. You're very wicked. You. Give me girl bandit, man. You don't say bad man I kill you.
You better live out of my presence, no? Live out of my presence. Because you annoy my spirit, you know.
Me not want to give you a bun and you go on, so.
Who not give bun?
Me not give bun.
Who not give bun?
Me only give the chief.
But you catch up here. You catch up here. You catch up here every day at this little razor looking woman.
Oh God, relax yourself, baby. Now I'm here, bun, man. Don't worry. Everything good. You don't have to fret. Remember saying, you know, a triplet near again, you know.
Triplets out of
Out of gun.
Out of
And a gun here, you know, the real gun here, get not the blank shot. A poi. Nice. Your belly must rise, you know.
Out of and a 1 minute you turn.
It no matter who first come win.
You blank your fire, but come win. Go along me, you know, me never feel big in kid. No, me can't see.
No. You know why you no breathe? You see them pill when me find in the bag and dash them way. You see them fine little brown pill there, you feel them, you idiot. Them little mini grinder.
And you dash them way, but what come out of nothing?
You know, we are out of you yet.
Move, a blank car fire, go down and doctor go check out it. Me I tell you not even one swim around you can't find under there. Me not ask you, no swim around no there under there. So, they just long out so. They not gonna, when you're gonna fire them as they drop so poof. They just turn around poof.
You know why?
And then when me use the bathroom, me just go poof.
You know why?
I run out back.
You know why they not swim around?
Your papi show you.
You know why they not swim around?
Cause you're active. You're up and down with one bag of girl and run. Yeah.
You see me, girl? I know Pitney now run, come back to me say, Daddy.
Pitney, why not them dead? You don't understand. Your sperms aren't working properly. Your body not going with nothing.
Me feel like say you know no sense, you know.
Your sperm cells not going on with nothing.
Me feel like something wrong with down here, so.
Don't we?
Down here, so the home no good again.
Oh God.
It's like you take out the home.
Just so, like a typical man, for blame a woman, say, and them are the problem.
Me can't, I've made there for 5 years now. And me can't come on one day and hear daddy. Me can't hear daddy. I just hear them in. You're again, this and that, and that. No, man, come on and hear daddy.
You have the ability to make something call your daddy? May me ask you that. You have it? With your little 2-inch. You have it?
Yeah.
That I reach nowhere?
No,
yeah, that I reach nowhere. Me breed for me ex them, you know. Me breed for them. And drop and lose the pity them. So when you attack about, you not go on with nothing.
You're not evil, that make me some punch. I talk about my little 2-inch, right? But my little 2-inch make it climb up on the chest of jar and mash up the glass. See ya. Why, baby? Stop. Yeah. I will not leave you really like it.
Being sarcastic. Don't you know? Pretending so I can get my little dough.
Pretending. I run the eye water.
Yes.
Oh, so I pretend to mash up my glass.
No, argument with you. No, argument with you. What me pay for?
Me need things.
What me pay for? What you dig in on me? You did that say
no, my 2-inch car hurt you just say you was pretending. So you up here for the glass.
You joke me on me.
No, don't touch me. Come here now. Don't touch me. Come.
I joke me on me.
Don't.
I joke me on me.
Touch me kind of.
Alright, come me squeeze some bump in your face. I joke me on me.
Okay, right.
I joke me on me. More neighbor. I would neighbor.
Yeah. That's why I look at you. Yeah, prepare my food. Eh?
Where you come from?
Where do you come from?
Me here going up the road, you know.
My boss give me a buckle but me a gate.
Now one thing, can I go get the angel? And them say God sent come for you.
Which angel? Don't want me here talk about angel. Me don't know where I talk about You know?
I'm not going to talk about Lily.
Which angel?
The one with them send for you.
You see Duppy?
See it here?
God. Yeah. Talk to me straight. I like that roll corner. Go straight.
Somebody tell me say.
I know chicken patty that you have in your food.
When you get in your plate, that's she will see.
Take
Can't buy chicken back if you don't want the body.
No, you have to cut it off, chop it off and drop it out the door. You know, put it in the pot. When me I eat out there. If you are cook for yourself.
Yeah, me cook for myself. Go make the angel feed you. Vamos, I don't want here. Go get the angel. Right.
You know, understand me, I say. Talk to me, say, no. Me I listen. Which angel?
No, not talking with you.
Now, when you're done cook, you come in contact with me. You hear me, sweetie?
Go on, because the angel will come.
You don't understand. See back to me. You take on this angel.
Take him out saying, more angel. I said, I don't know if you're telling me now. See, I can't tell me, but we have.
What's going on, Yan? Don't you know what we do, you know?
You everywhere you see me, you just have to. You can't just not see me.
Calm down, girl. Calm down.
What is it? Where?
Anyways, me say I have money they say now.
And?
Me know one way. How make you get more money than the money that we have. 4 times the money we have. Me not just only borrow money, you know. Me tell me do. You see when me borrow the money from you? Yeah, man. Can you give me $500? And $5,000 me give him. Ask you when you see me say I love lending me money. So if I give me that now, me give you 4 times what you have in your hand. This or 5 times. I just say just you have to name a price.
If me give you this, you are gonna give me back more?
Yes. So that's why man love lend me money because it make me get more income.
And when will I get back that by?
Girl, if you tell me I don't want the money, I'll little more you get the money. Tomorrow anytime.
And you're sure? Say I'm sure too.
Ask a man. If I can face pay him back, where think you that lend me the money if me need to pay him back? If they pay him back for you lend me. I never counted everything, you know. Never counted everything. This kind of thing I should pull out the money to God.
Hold on now, what you say I got do?
But tell you the type of agreement with me and your man have. If me come and me borrow $2,000 for your man, me give your man $8,000. And me have pay him back. So me know how to make you make money.
So that's a 4. That's a whole lot how much you at 6.
Yes. I say
so if me give you 8,000, how much me get?
If you give me 8,000, me give you 18,000.
So that's about $800.
$800? If I give me $800, me give you $2,000.
US.
US, girl, if I US, you give me a US, I get it back in now. Hello, my half of them stand too long. Me I go look for another client. Like you know me in business. You know me in business at
just
all.
hold on.
I feel like you know me in business.
Me have $800 in my hand. And me just consider how to make more because we kind of broke right now. Not much money. So, and you tell me I will get it back.
Girl, you say every time a man lend me money, you know see that? Right. You know say I'm stingy with money. If he never they get back the money and get back all if you only lend me the money, so I like to lend me money.
So you are going to double this or triple this?
Me I got triple it.
And me I'll get it back.
Yes! Girl, you know me in business, you know me in business.
Come.
Business. Cause like you know what deal I know deal. Talk fast on me and no man like money.
Yeah. Deal.
Yeah, deal. Let's go there now.
Wait a second, I'll get it back.
Girl, me say you get back the money, you get back the money. Thank you. I don't know beat me.
Alright.
Yeah.
2,000.
Girl. What?
Okay.
Can they talk about triple?
I'm going to triple show it. I blasted idiot.
Tim! Tim! Come on here. Tim! Tim! Oh! Tim! Yes, so long me a call you. Me a holla call on the front here and say you want to wash dirty plate.
No, listen. You they call me on that front, right?
Eh.
You expect send me if you turn up and hear you. Round there so. I hear the weird on that front. Where my money is?
Anyways. See ya.
Put it in my pocket.
Alright. And this I want to come bonus for coming with me.
Alright, bonus. We'll start with more money, don't worry.
Hold it more. You understand?
Alright.
You good door?
Yeah man, so far.
You don't want to say I bought me book a white man I know.
Huh?
Yeah. Fucking white man. And you see me no stand, you see me no hold grudge. Why when your young man beat me what day ya? Me not hold that against you. Me forgive you.
Alright, go and take good.
Yeah, me I go and take good and give you the money. Me upgrade from box food now.
Alright, when no man come and give me money if you got some.
Alright. Look more.
Yeah. Why she upgrade?
Blasted idiot. Me don't know where you get the woman from. It's full of person that have to be like a fat so a woman, man. Idiot them, man. B. You don't hear me call in the house?
Oh, when they come back?
I come back a couple minutes ago.
Oh.
Wash plate.
Yeah man, anyway, see we collect my money out when I need over there. Take out it.
Who?
Take out.
Which one? That one?
Yeah, take out it. Put on the 100 in my account. I spend 150 at supermarket and take 50 off yourself.
I will get them money.
Huh?
Where you get them money from?
Who making it?
Who are you?
Kayla, no more Kayla. Who else could have won me?
Wait. Kayla just get them money, can't you?
Yeah, she won me. She said she back a white man.
White man?
Yeah, she back a white man.
B.
The girl hold good man. He hold good.
He hold good for you.
So wait, so tell me something. You pay the people them. What me say you pay? Eh? You don't answer me.
What you say? Kayla can't money can't give.
Yeah.
Eh?
That girl hold good man. Hold your far. Hey.
B.
Eh?
Kayla, tap me out the road.
Oh,
When me a
and
go.
give money too. Can give me bonus. Give me $100 bonus. Like the white man hump him and give him 1,000 bonus. Cause if you give somebody 100 bonus,
Listen to me now,
that's when they
please.
get
Me
1,000
understand
bonus.
you're happy for her. I don't think you're happy for long. Yeah.
No.
You see the money where you give me? You go pay the people them.
Yeah.
Kayla tap me out the road. And Kayla tell me say every time he borrow money from you. You understand? He give you back extra and more.
So you don't
He double
justify yourself?
it.
You don't justify yourself?
So B,
You should give me 100.
let me give Kayla the money. What you give me for give the people them and he say I go triple it, give me it back.
You take my money. Give Kayla. For triplet.
Yeah, so
I say you don't want me triplet the pot.
listen now, B.
You don't want me triplet the pot. You idiot?
Listen now, just listen now.
You are idiot?
I tell me say I triple it back. I say can you say always a double
You can't
money.
believe in the dangerous line there. Who gonna take in your right man triple his money in a time like this year? You idiot? Triple it where? You see Kayla a bank book. How people account Kayla use correctly look at $2,000.
B, I know that my name means too. Yeah, my name I mean.
Oh.
Wait.
Make sure you come back here with me money. Oh, there's no food, no cooking here.
Chinese girl.
If I'm not about my man, I don't really want to hear.
Girl, your man is not a topic, and my white man and my buck at the hot topic.
You have white man?
Yes.
You know the brother?
You don't have a man.
You don't say angel come for him.
No, girl. Still one him. When I know?
I don't even know.
Man, I don't know.
So I go on.
Nothing I go on, girl.
Yeah, scroll through the...
Me just go pay the little dirty man down the road. Popeye and Stinking Tib. The two of them me go pay. Two of
Where
them
you
me go
get money
pay.
from?
Eh?
Where you get money from?
It's like you're there for me, some book a
Pay
white
me
man.
too.
You don't look at me breeze off a little bit.
You know what? Give me none of the man, brother. Much less cousin, so come pay me.
No, you must see idiot. You must see really care.
You have to come back over here again.
Girl, me a big issue if I tell you. Me know see you know tip, not true.
Yes, the little ugly man.
Me say me see a little fat girl down the road.
I want to go on with that.
They take man like a dog.
Ufa man.
Dirty.
Popeye?
No, Popeye, woman. They go fat when I they will beat me. Cause she
Cheap
beat
woman.
me. Yes.
Take Popeye.
Yes.
You know you're confusing.
Sometimes I hear that go.
Realize.
So you see, cheap woman. They with Popeye. Little madman.
Tib and Popeye, no virgin.
Yes, call our friend.
Really? This at bad.
Yes.
So much money you get to shut your mouth for that.
We don't get no money at all.
You get money.
Girl.
You
We
can't
don't
give
get
me
no money.
$100. You don't even look real. Watch it.
Girl, then let me take it back for you. Then don't even say me no. Me say, I woman. Me hear say woman a do beer vice in him a DJ holy. In bad panic.
Who's gonna DJ them?
The DJ the DJ there. I'm here saying I get him.
Eh?
Yes.
Maybe. Remember she did set tip can last 1 minute, girl.
Yes. I guess I know. It's this song again. They said good. And that she a do with her mouth. You know,
You're so Sarah Bridge.
And you know me about her again too. I'm gonna start tell Tib.
Yeah.
You see what she long? She exercises too much. I said, you know me like indeed too much.
Like you rub on the concrete too much,
And I said, yes I do. And you see her Tib? Me you see her be a suck Tib, suck here.
We just say,
Girl, it's like you're deaf. Me say me here see her be a suck Tib, suck it off.
you know, say if me see her come and me a shit a bush, me a take you up and me
Girl.
a make one big
No, me
block
do that.
in my mouth and run.
And kiss up it. You never time believe me do that.
Why?
You're thinking about me about I come.
I mean, I look for and run.
Like see her Greg that or so.
Go and go listen mix up and tell me. My foot a hurt me, girl.
Alright. Me don't argue.
And brush off your body, we don't have.
Girl, I'll clean your floor. And that's why they soon take your man. Tell them if you clean.
And if I tell you to come here, stop walk and take people money.
This is the fire cool, sir. Supposed to bite you.
What's on my shirt?
The big old bees in the fire. Let me see if it come off. Turn around.
What am I here?
Turn around now. Let me see if something come off.
Listen me, if nothing is there on my shirt, my woman now make me left out of the house. Let me tell you
You're
that.
an idiot. Because the big old bees up on the back of your shirt. You want
This
this
probably is there on my shirt.
Let me brush it off. Turn around.
Mama.
No,
People
bees,
man.
Jesus. You ever cut interrupt me? You don't have a yard.
Me and cousin, you know.
You don't have a
Damn
yard.
dear.
But you
Come
ever
like
open
the
this
salt
and
and-
Because
wait, you can say.
dark chocolate. Yes. I forget.
I feel it.
I could have not feel me.
Mama, please me I beg you. You know you can't hold your mouth. Just continue, please.
You can't hold my mouth.
Please me I beg you. Just continue.
Alright.
Me I beg you, please.
Alright, don't move it up. Don't move this time when you turn up.
Mama, Where you see these on my shirt?
May I tell you the friggin' bees up on your shirt and there, so I question me see them we, alright? Make you crawl up in your damn neck back and
Which are
bite.
the bees there? The bees there on my shirt.
Nobody's
Where
from
bees
you.
there? Where bees there?
Chinese! Chinese! Girl! Me say you tell people business.
What happened?
Me dey go up the road and me see your man, you know.
You ever see me,
See
man?
your man a kiss the girl again, you know.
I support me go up there and not up there this time.
Last time you chop me out and now chop me out this time.
Come.
Girl, you have to get up.
He up there?
Yes.
Alright, come.
Go on. Give me here.
Me cook all the hot meat.
Boy.
I work me and go and she said so.
Whoa. Run me, girl. See you take them on the road.
See your mouth.
Where you do your son?
Where work there? Where you do your son?
Let me ask you.
You see your mouth, you see your...
Come go up. Me a go wrong place.
So me a go walk.
Go up.
Come here. Take my money. Where my money? Where money then? Where your thief from me? Where money then? Where money? Where money where you take me from me? I tell lie how much I got triple. You triple down? Where money there? Where there? Where money? Say yeah, brand new Crocs, brand new clothes. No, you spend the money by yourself. Girl. Me want my money. Me want it. Triple the money, but not yet. Not only you take the money, you take me man too. No, me never tell I want it one lie me ever tell. Me tell you true, me a man no dey no. I only Chinese man alone me tell lie pan cause I don't like a boy in that black boy. What? Me glad you here.
Where you see
Yes. Y'all tease me money.
After me believe in the black girl, you know, you see a maga favor giraffe, you come like a giraffe in a
You
trick.
still have me money, me must buck you.
So where you know, Rob?
Where you know? No, every time I come up on my money, I all type of thing now.
Never come on my yard and tell me
Take
foolishness,
what
but me
800
man.
US from me, one more triple hit. I make me and my man a problem for money.
You give me 1,000.
You get what? So you get something. Rest of man, now it's a party.
Yeah, you reach to the end. Tell me, comment if you like it. If you want part 2, me push him to the part 2. Comment. If you want part 3, part 4, it can happen. We can turn it in our series. But just comment, because we have Jawbone next to come. We have the whole mafia come. We are called them the whole troop. Donald Trump, pick up yourself. Me like what you do. Only 2 gender. Female and male. Me like that. Why? Bye-bye.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you. Remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was spent in a parking lot. Gave it all we got. It was so with you.
Welcome back to Toga TV. You see it, people. We're there out there, weather not easy. And we are going out here, you know, in the rain, sunshine, any weather. We are work for you. So, you see, we're going, still I put in the work, see, man. That's why we've been on post. That's why we're going back and re-upload. But you know, go and stay tuned with me and bear with me a little bit. We are going to work them. We are putting in as much work as possible. So, big up on yourself, what I love to know. You see me? Subscribe.
Wait, how are you going with baby and big bag?
Sorry. I can't even know. I have to rush out earlier this morning because he called me and tell me say his mother gone and left the baby from morning. I have to go down there. I go down there in a table like she a come back. You say a man she gone with. So I have to take my baby from down there. Her auntie didn't know I stay with her.
So me I tell you a long time about a girl, eh? Now you go breed her. Now she run go and left bit by you. Now me have to go take care of you and your sister. And now baby.
Daddy, I soon get her. Just bear with me a little bit. I soon get her. I'll try and go there and send out some application. I soon get her, man. And I said, I can't leave her down because they don't want to stay with her, so I have to carry her with me. I know I make a big mistake to go breed her, but I can't do nothing. I don't get her. I don't regret it.
You say you so get work? So who will keep the baby? And your lazy sister and then I go keep the baby, you know? And definitely me not keep the baby, you know? You have to go find a way, you know? Because I can't mind cheer, you know? Because I have work for you, because I can't take care of her.
I soon I'll find a way, man, Daddy. Let's go and bear with me a little bit. Please, man.
No, I have to go take care of cheer, you know? Eh?
Daddy, no, please. No, disappoint.
Go and make sure, you know? Make sure, you know? No, I have to go take care of baby and on the two. Me alone everything upon, you know?
I understand what you say, Daddy.
Morning, my brother.
Morning.
What is your dear? Where mother day?
Sister, me have her fear now. My mother, I don't know where my mother is. My mother gone left for her, so me have her now.
Our mother gone? You not work, me not work, and daddy take care of two away. Daddy didn't want it, you know. So you go bring the bad free girl now, she run me and left you with baby. So daddy have to go mind baby now. Or you go work. Or stay with the baby.
Me soon get her work.
Me not stay no baby now, because me a hot girl, you know, so me have to go my road.
That's a fear problem. I can say mix up my fear with a business man. I say I soon get her work so that they don't have to take care of me and I take care of my dad. I soon get her work. I send out tools to application already. Just work, focus
You soon get
on fear
work, who are going to
business.
stay with the baby when you get
Don't worry
work?
about that, I'm not actually stay there.
You're lucky. Anyway, daddy left your rent here this morning because the bank called me and I asked me for your rent.
Just
And I
left
2 months
now and give
now
me.
and I 60 grand that. What you say?
You see that daddy business about rent? Eh? You see I pay gambling in my gamble. All him a go work, the only thing he buy food there, but he not pay rent. 2 months rent. Now let the rent give me.
That's the next problem. And that's why you as a man should go get work to help out daddy because you know him man in gambling problem. So I rent a go pay. You will away go live out of the door plus baby. Me not understand you in this house, I do understand one bit.
So make you not go look at work.
Me look like somebody by work type. You know, see me everywhere me go, nobody know want me for work there. Office work me want, even though me not no subject, me not working in no bar or no restaurant.
Yeah, wait for office.
Now we are seeing your father.
What wrong with that? What are you right now?
No one go on me no. You know what I realize that Russian your favorite in this house? Me see him bring in baby, you know. I mean I hear no argument about it, you know. Yeah, pressure me for look work. Why you not send him go look work? Now you have to go look about me, Russian and baby. All let her go daddy. And warm to the man rent.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. That's my concern. Me talk to him already about film and the baby. So, you put that on your head. Me I go take care of that. Me talk to him already and he say I will get to work.
You're lucky that if you have him business about work, who's gonna keep the baby? By the way, oh you smell like rum and not talk like you're drunk so. Daddy you go drink out the rent? I drink you go bar go drink out the rent and gamble out the rent, daddy?
And my money, you know. And me pay all the rent them in there, so. The bills them in there, so. So, watch it out of my way.
Drunk can't talk for his daddy. If we want money to get groceries, daddy, we don't have nothing in here. We are waiting for you from morning. Where money there?
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning. Your morning good? You not get to work yet?
This is a good morning, like we give thanks and we get up. Not get no work yet.
Boy, we're gonna leave the baby with your sister and come on outside come fling to a bucket.
Daddy, you know say they not work there in my style. Me can't manage them work. The more time I tell them me can't manage them work there. You know come down there for any time the whole long you ask me. Me can't manage them work there.
If you don't try, how you gonna learn?
Daddy, me can't manage them work there. You can't buy a game.
Me can't manage, but guess what? Me still have to go there go work, you know. Fool can't get food for eat, you know. Because bills have to pay, you know.
You can't buy a granddaughter and two study.
Oh, me not have no money. You go take up what you can't manage. I can't go to work, man. So later. Yeah, me have no way to come here now, man. Ah.
So Daddy say nah, man. It's so fair.
Let me leave it in the room. Why am I later now? I can't turn back, you know. Wait till I check back later.
That for daddy.
No man, no man, I'm not look for that.
Alright.
Can't find no money. Boy, you saw money drop out and pocket out so this morning. Are you me a talk to you?
I don't see no money, daddy. I don't see no money.
Make sure.
I try something I do on the phone. I don't see no money. But I give you money. You can say money drop. I say, yeah, I'd pay everything, you know. When I want to give you money, you see what money drop. Then a thief.
Boy, I have a piece of food in my pocket, you know. I don't know if you drop out on the veranda you want. But I have to pay the man the rent. Boy, I don't know where to go, you know. Come like I have to go live out the door. Because the man so come for your rent.
So daddy, you really lost your rent? Who is so careless? I'm not to that.
Boy, who you call careless?
Daddy,
Eh?
I not say it.
Eh? You know if somebody might drop out the money, you know.
Daddy, if I up and say drop out the money, you only see money and give money. And I up and say, buy a drink off the money and I come go and like say, you know.
Drink out which money? When the man come for your rent, you see where I go on.
What do you mean by that, daddy?
Boy, I have someone I can go, you know. But you must know.
Me tell you something, I see them. I can't give him the money there. Come on, buy something for my daughter. Can't give him.
Easy now, where baby there?
And then I also see.
Where look for?
Daddy, you can't tell me that you lost your rent.
What you say? Daddy do what? Lost your rent? You want 60 grand in last?
Like a 30,000 loss. But he must say, like him drop it somewhere, but me not see no money. So me don't know. I know my rent I go pay him man. You know that the man they stay and income to pay him rent. He want it also 2 months now.
Boy, I don't understand the whole part at all. Ready? I don't feel like daddy lost no rent, you know. I feel like I drink that all. Because you know daddy usually drink hard back then when things get hard. I feel like I drink that all. And I cause of you. And you can baby and stress out him and make him drink and drunk and drink after one.
Best thing I do I go on inside there, man. How me to bring baby feel stressed out? Me ask daddy if you think or the least thing I ask daddy for this man. He said buy granddaughter juice and he said he not have the money. How me feel stressed out him?
I used to stress out him, man. I go hear daddy at
Yeah, come on, yo.
Oh, boy.
What you doing, daddy?
Even if I want.
Just tell me, say, the last rent. True?
Yeah, my last rent money.
Daddy, you're a madman, you know. Oh, you have last rent. So look how long we asked you for money for a week. And you last rent, you don't see enough money, so half a day last. If you didn't give me, you would last.
But anyway, how we not call a madman anyway, eh? How we pay the bills a minute? Who pay the bills a minute? It's just a simple mistake.
Mistake?
Yeah.
The last 30 grand. I'm mad at my daddy. It's a mad. Sit down and talk one like you're a bad man. Where are you going to do? Lick your pitney. Sit down when me talk to you and talk sense. Now you can't look like you have none.
How we are talking to you?
Daddy, remember when usually the long time when we about 2-3 when I used to gamble. Why you not just do that back? And see if you probably can enough time in daddy me did on super venture space and enough people that win money them a buy cash pot and something. So why you not buy that daddy and see if you can bust you out of this number where we get some hype life.
Cash pot. I don't want to get back to them life, eh?
But daddy, you used to be done in the game. Get back in their life, them and daddy. You need to get see that, or your granddaughter, they know. Daddy, get back in their life, them and daddy. Anyway, I'm going to support you and we can. Just feel in and feel everything go to me, daddy. Wait a
Alright, never think about it.
Alright, daddy. This is really sorry to see you last one. I can't believe it, I don't know.
Yeah, boy, anyway, may I eat this? You want some of this?
No, breakfast. You go fry some dog food. Yes, that one.
Alright. Father God, what me have to do when someone come for you with, eh? Father God.
Sorry, daddy. I'm crying. You coming last night. Yes. You didn't see daddy from man.
What do you mean if I not see daddy? Daddy then I must see.
Daddy no come from last night. I'm go out the door, look me see him, go in the room, me not see him nowhere. So me don't know when there. So I come ask if I see him like him come in and go back.
Daddy start with the drinking and staying out late again. I must drunk, daddy drunk on the road, you know. Just you have to go look for him. Go and if you see him on the road, I must stay with the baby for you. Please, just go and go look if you see him done on the road or something. I want to know if I something do him or if somebody kill him or something, we don't even know. Go look if you see him done on the road or something, Sean, please. You don't know if somebody kill him or something do him done.
Where are you in my shot?
Yeah, we're both shots, me and we got to got the shots. Go look if you see daddy now, please. I'm going to see daddy alone. Go look if you see daddy, me and take off the shots, brother. I want you.
Daddy. Daddy. Get up from here, some man. You know from last night me I look for you. I had a ride that's drunk and sitting with liquor. Get up and come in, man. Daddy, get up from here, some man. I didn't like it. Get up, man. Okay, an example you said for me. Imagine the amount that they may would be drinking now. But they can't let nothing change.
Hey, what, son?
What I want to know is, oh, you come in drunk and drop asleep on the step. Eh?
It was a rough day, you know. Because I lost the rent money. And I don't know how I go find back that money there to give the man for your rent. You see me? So I hit. He just step on my brain and think what I need to do, so I just go hold to a drink. Boy, I know it's just a bad example for you as my son, for you to do them thing there. But it just step on my mind. I don't want to way I could have relieved a bit of stress.
You know, me there whole night, I wait for you to come in. Me wonder where they what happened to you. Not even Johnny no know say you not come in. And I go to her ask her, I say, where that is? She can't tell me. She said, but in her room. I say, in her room, I go in her room and I check. And then now, she tell me, go up on the road, but look at me see her. So I walk come out there, so now I see. I saw a gate pull. And I walk up there, I see her there asleep. You have to just do better, daddy. No stress out and everything, but you have to just left it in the hands of God. You see me?
You know, it's a bad thing, but I'm going to make God on time, you know? Everything is going to be alright.
Yeah, man, in due time, everything.
Everything is going to be alright.
But I don't know, you know, what that the man they are going to do. When he find out, so when I have it 2 months rent, you have to just sit down and talk to him and try it. I don't even know what to say. But the most of the man they want the money. And the man he want to put you out. You see me, so you have to just come up with something to tell him. You have to just tell him the truth and see how it go, how it work out. But just have a strong feeling, say, he might go put you out and just have to just tell him the truth. Say money lost and see why he say, because enough money that in already 60,000 and then want next 30 go on it. A whole of money that in it.
A whole heap of money, you know?
You barely can't find food to eat. You can't sustain yourself good. And who we are going to find?
Come here, I have to go borrow a loan from either credit union, you know?
A loan?
Yeah. Before me talk to the money. I have to go borrow a loan. So,
for the next thing to daddy, you're not going to borrow that loan then. We are going to need 90,000 all. Because it was 60 plus 30 for next month. So 90,000 that where we are going to get money from to pay about that the 90,000. And a month in time they want the money, you know, and no say I could be 10,000 or 14,000 you have to pay a month time. A whole heap of money that so it's still hard when you borrow a loan. That's why I try. You don't even know if you go owe him, we still go owe 90,000. So you don't even know if it's him. I don't know. If you borrow a loan, you can try borrow a loan here, but how we have to pay back. That's the biggest part. How we have to pay back.
let me figure that out. Because the lady is supposed to send in some material money, you know. From the work site and if pay out some pay, so I'm only supposed to come in.
So what you going to do? Use them pay where you owe?
No, I'm not going to use them pay.
You can't do that today because Them they cannot tell them say yo, she not send no money yet, you know, next month. So when they get paid next month, I give them and fear pay included or give them that over them. So that can't go.
Exactly. Plus you want me lose my work?
Me not say we out.
You know what me I gonna do? It's been a while now since me do no gambling, you know, but I feel like I go try me up on the lotto, you know. And I feel like I just feel lucky from the other day. So I just go try the lotto and see what I can go on.
What is it?
Yeah.
You feel lucky from what day?
From the other day I kind of feeling lucky, but me never ever tell you.
You feel lucky from what day that there's so much money over? There's so much things happen, you're drunk, me lose my work, you be a mother girl, there's so much things happen. And you feel lucky.
Me go try a
We
thing.
don't even know what we're going to eat tonight.
Me go try a thing. Nothing try, nothing done. Nothing but a try, but a failure, but you still have to take time to try. Why? See that? Me go try a lot, you know, see, take it, yeah. So, me go try and listen.
I don't know about them, listen. Just do what you have done, I just go try it. I go back down in town, but see if I can send out and it goes to me for a security company. See if we can get a different work.
Alright, then you're going to finish my thing and I
don't get no car friend with me, I'm sending out to my team. So I'm forward back.
Alright then.
Just try and see, you know,
nothing try, nothing done. So, I'm going to try a thing. God and time, so. But when I mix God with gambling still, but I'm trying nothing done. Alright. Why? You have to go try to make this thing work, you know. So we can take care of family, you know.
I'm going to
There.
so I'm just come from the kitchen and I'll go talk to daddy. Because I can't believe saying drunk and the funny step asleep.
Up on the step you're running?
Yeah, funny step.
You think go out on the road that he said?
Yeah, you know, listen to myself on the step as I walk there, so you see a gate pull. I mean, I saw a gate pull. And then I go around, so I'm that, you see.
I can't believe Daddy gone to that. I tell him saying he can't gamble. I never tell him saying if he gamble and drink.
And you tell him if he gamble?
What I mean, you know, since we are struggle. I'm alone up here and everything I want to work. So I tell him saying if you try about gambling, remember, so Daddy used to do that since every time we are picking, you know. And we used to we gift them like Christmas, birthday, everything, you know. Sometimes if you try it again.
You shouldn't tell him if he gamble. Because that an addiction when you get over, when you stop doing, you shouldn't make him go back to the stage. And that's when you can continue with the drinking. You shouldn't tell him about gambling. All I need to do is say, Daddy, see if we can get a better work.
Brother,
That would have better.
Daddy know all in construction, you know that. Daddy always construction business.
No, are you making my drink, you know that?
Oh, I mean.
Are you making my drink?
Well, go out and romance at foolishness. Or at our foolishness. Or me making him a drink. I mean, send him go a bar. We send him to gamble, I send him a bar. We send him a Supreme thing like that shop. I never send him a bar.
Well, when he start do that, him a drink back.
You can't make Daddy drink. That one big man making one decision, brother. You always a blame me for things, brother.
Go on. One time I don't see you, you know? Yeah, remember I think I don't talk to you over the phone, but
yeah, remember, you know.
I see if I can get a loan for borrow from you, you know, when I talk to you over the phone, but
Yeah, man. I can't tell you now, you know. Because my time, I lend things and can't get back, you know. You know that I go.
But you know I'm not going to give back your money, man. You know already.
With interest.
Yeah, man, with the interest and stuff, because you know, I construction work with you, know, me as a contractor, you know.
Lend the money already, I don't get it back, you know. So I can't do it again. rough, but that's how it go.
No say I heard, you know. Anything or anything, you know.
We are friends, you know. So that's how it go.
No say I heard.
Alright.
That's it. Can't believe it again. Can't believe it again. Lose again. When me I go tell me you them say I know. Why? When me I go tell him answer, man.
Daddy, I drink, I drink. Me tell us if you gamble, me never tell us if you drink. You want drink and drunk again? You want the same thing repeat for yesterday? You need to change your shirt.
Boy, my daughter. Boy, my daughter. The rent. I mash up my head. I owe the money in 2 months rent, plus I go borrow a loan. You know what I say? So, borrow a loan.
A loan you borrow and gamble, Daddy?
Yes.
So you win or you lose?
My daughter.
You win? Tell me see you win. No, tell me see you win. You win?
No, my daughter, I'm not winning.
Daddy, you can't keep up life like this, Daddy. You can't drink and drunk. So what are the example that you set to your children, Daddy? You can't make them something and stress you till you like drink. You just try to figure out a way, Daddy. Oh, you have to go borrow one and go and take your money and gamble. That sounds smart to you.
I must win, you know. I must win. You just off by 2 number alone.
Daddy, stop. Can you sound like you're mad about one? Get up on
Lord.
Try and drinking is not gonna work.
Hey. What going on, my son?
Is yesterday me asked you to buy jelly or juice. And you say you have no money. But you end up that's your last money. Or you say you never have no money and then you end up last money. A lady here tell me, Daddy.
I don't lie, me I tell you, but guess what? The money I did for the rent. See me? For pay the one for your rent, you know?
Or do you rent money?
Yeah, the rent money me they have.
Things like money they have and they want to give me to buy beer and juice. Come and say, oh Daddy, you have money. I'm asking through one. Oh Daddy, if you have money. I'm asking for your money to buy beer juice. And you know, so I don't have. And that they are puzzle, come here and think say, I give me one, give me money.
No man, I don't give me never want to give you money.
But I find out now, say I rent money.
Yeah, I rent money, so you find the money?
No, I don't find no money. I just ask. Like, you know, I don't find no money there. I know say I did find the money, you come back and you get the money here. I don't find no money. Just ask. No cook.
Yeah, I cook something, you know. Because at least I lose a bigger part of your money, but we win a 5 bills for when I take it safe.
We win a 5 bills?
Yeah. So, can use and cook some food, you see me?
I will lie down, you need to cook it then.
Alright, that's alright. Hello, what play today? Yeah, share, what play today?
Left on the board.
Left on the board? Hey, bring up 20. Number 20 play.
What gone, cuz? Everything good? Well, why you can't complain from your life, you see me? I go like that for all day too, boy. You stress me out too.
Yeah.
You don't even know me that.
Boy. So how I go on?
My baby mother wants to run with a baby for me.
Jano.
I have a baby and now I work. So I lose my job couple weeks ago.
No, sir, bro. I'm gonna get that chair. Cause that argument I can't
Okay, yo. You mean go for the chair, brother? You're going to be plus them with it. Tell the person.
I read.
You're going to be plus, brother. You know what chair is? You're going to be plus them with it.
What you say go on, boy?
2 days ago or 3 days so get a call say my daughter auntie called me the fear sister say her mother gone from yesterday and come back. I say, oh that. But she say she can't stay with the baby so I have to come for the baby. So I go down there for the baby now. Me and here say she run with, left the baby with her sister. You see me, so come end up, me have to take up the baby clothes and carry them up and so.
Jano star. So uncle good with that?
No brother. Man tell me say me need to go look at work and I know me try look at work. I send out some application and some resume bro. So me need to get a work. Because my daughter need things, she want pampers, she want this, she want that there. And me alone, I feel depend on my father. He not to help me out so strong. You see me? I want my auntie them want beg her money right now through me on the internet.
Why? Rough dog.
So my father want me about a girl that you tell me say don't breed that girl. I'm going to make one big mistake and I'll breed the girl and see, and me alone have her and struggle with her now.
So I'm to Janine, she can help you out.
Brother, she don't want to work, she don't even want to see if I've ever earned out. How she will help me?
Then, brother, how you would take up some of them women there in the first place? That's why them thing I reach you know. But you have to do still.
If we ever know, only if we ever know, this would reach me. I tell you the truth. I mean, it so happened that I lose my job in the same period of time, brother. Same period of time I lose my job. It come like a salt.
No, sir, bro, because you can't say that. You see me, because look on it that way.
Salt, brother.
No, brother, you can't look on it so. Look at other people out there, I go through worse, you see?
Who I go through worse?
You can't say, booms, assault yourself.
Brother.
I just want to listen.
Yes, them in it, they see me and say, I hold it. I'm there, so wait for my father come in, he can give me 1,000, go get 2 juice to my daughter. But you wouldn't even know that.
Well, I don't know if I tell you, but just don't say assault yourself, brother. You have to go through some things to learn some things, you know, and you can teach somebody else. You see me? Just look on it that way.
Yeah. I don't even know everything, say. Honestly, I tell them, I know what it.
They will stress it, bro. They will stress it, because if you will stress it, that's still not going to make it better.
You don't understand, bro.
Just know say people there around you will love you and they are for you, you see? As your cousin, I tell you that, bro. But they are for you, said we.
Just have one with man, because it's true. I have my daughter, I don't do nothing foolish, you see me? Just go and wait and see. I'm sending out the application, just go and wait for 2 cards and see how man. No God will make me get a work, man. Now make me suffer like this. Sweet.
Father God go work you know, to see it because just believe. Believe. Yeah, come got me and see it because you look like rain go fall.
I'm going to fear in a farm.
You say, Gooch can't get too much water, you know. I'm out.
Oh God. Yes, I want to talk to you also. I don't know if you say this, but I feel like give up jail because we don't have no money. We can't take care of her. I don't want she there and suffer with it. You see me, so they see like this if you just give her to a child.
Why you ever give up my grandchild? I know me pay hard for your times, you know. But I'm a grandchild, you know, I can't give up. Can't do that. You hear me? So you have to go figure a way to get a little work. So we can't deal with that. Because remember, you know, me go through hard times with the two on you know. You and your sister, you know. So what you think? You got one pit, you know, you go give up? No, start, that can't work.
Daddy, at that point I tell her I reach like my cup overflow, like I don't know what to do no more. I want a resume or my send out. I don't know what to do. I swear to God. I don't know what to do that. And I can't be able to see my daughter hungry. I don't want to. You have all the bills, I have to pay light bill, water bill, rent. I can't depend on you to take care of my daughter. You have it hard to have you go out there and work in a hot sun. I mean, you know what to do.
Yeah, but no. You have to just be patient, you know. You know, time's kind of hard, but I know time to give up right, you know. Can't give up on the grandbaby, you see me? Them people, we can't work with them. The mother gone, but and you for there in her life, you know. Remember, she can come be the next lawyer, doctor. You never know. To come make the family better than what we are going through and stuff. Because you send her got the home place right and now they care for the people. It's going to be like a more problem. I don't want she go there and delay I got more. And more stress I got there on you. And that's going to on me too. If you think about my granddaughter, the different places and where they right and so they and your sister. So just go on with the faith. And hang on. Something I got that time I say, you know. I've been go through this for a while, so nothing like before the time. So just be strong and hold the faith.
You know if you don't want that, that's it.
So my son, just go on hold the faith. Just go on hold the faith and everything will be alright, you know. So just be strong. Never give up. I hear you want you out there. So you have to just be a man. Alright? You talk. Yeah. Thing I got happen now. Not before it happened. So
you know that Daddy, if don't say motivation.
Alright, never give up.
You need to stay strong.
Alright, let's see how it.
I don't even know if to explain, I swear. Because I don't have nothing to give here. I don't have juice, all our juice is done. Our pampers soon done. So that been a stress me right now. I just dip on my beer and buy them. And my head hurt me.
Bro, you can't make anything that stress you out, so you know. But I can ask daddy for your money though. Ask daddy for your little 2 bills if I do that. I'm going to say Pampas I sell out a Miss Clark shop, you know. $6 for one. Ask daddy most can give one side to get juice and papas. Yeah, stress.
Daddy not have no money. My solution right now is to just carry go to child development agency right now.
But I am mad. You can't carry that about the CD. You idiot? You know what show and see how sometimes they fling picking them in some faster woman sitting out and deal with them. You can't do that, bro. You can't do that. You don't know other solution?
That's the only thing I think about to do right now. I don't have no other thing to do.
Bro.
I mean, I make you dead feel hungry.
But I go play a cash pot or something.
Everything you talk about gambling and everything about you have to gamble. You need a work, that's what me need, a work.
So go look at work then, bro. Get a work then.
Then when I go look at work, who stay with there? Who stay with that?
Brother, me stay with that. You give me $2,000 every Friday. Or $15. I'm good with that. But you can't give your daughter to see the. You alright with that, brother?
When me get to work, me see call. I get one call yesterday, but instead of my call me back Friday, so Friday me see. I get to work and make you know so you can stay with me.
Better you do that. I'm not going to want to give up things. Mother gone, father gone. That the child would do what she ever have, that the pity will be broken forever. And she go here too. You can't do that, bro. I bet you know stay with her. As bad as me is, we don't know nothing about baby, but when you try to make a thing and move on, you know. Just get a word, bro. Please. You see? Alright. You have to stress yourself. Come in, my ears. Come, daddy, I'm going to alright, my brother.
Here? Here.
That's gas, actually easy.
Yeah, man, yeah, keep it good. Let's stay with Angie today, yeah? No, yeah.
Can't call you. Can't call daddy, yeah?
Bye-bye.
Tell daddy bye-bye. Yeah, auntie?
Soon come from work, yeah? Daddy soon come. Yeah? Yeah?
Tell daddy bye-bye, mama.
Yeah. Show me one.
Auntie?
Show me one. One, two.
Hold it. So, alright then.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Yes, you know that.
I'm glad you get a job, you know, so you can help me out with the bills and 50-50, you know, so you can take some of my pressure off of me.
We're glad to things work out so we get a work. See, early now we have to go the because you know, you have to go see a rep and my work. So, that's a good look. Just want the job that give more opportunities. And so you can go find the senior rep and just have the patient, the boss send to work every year, you have friends that do work and come back. So just try to do my best. If pick me out of the 2 person that I'm going to pick to go and find. So I'm not going to wait early. We reach around 7 o'clock when I left for 6 o'clock. So I'm going to taxi hard for you. You see?
So I talk about, I'm glad I get the work. So I talk about God and time.
Yeah, man.
And I say me that tell us, I give a grandbaby. And you see how things work out.
I just got on time, I just say, man, I'm patient.
I'm patient and have faith.
Yeah, man.
That's the best thing. Nothing up before your time.
Falling, coming on late.
Rashad. You.
Oh, man.
You me that card.
I work, I come from.
What? You work now?
Yeah, dog, you get the report and chef up down soccer.
Yeah.
This time.
So you don't
I don't go over well, bro. I still even know I'm just happy.
It's really good.
I'm give thanks, nowadays, there are things that give up my daughter and a child development agency.
Child development agency?
Yeah, bro.
Brother, what kind of madness that?
Dog, I tell you, dog, the stress out. I couldn't find my daughter to eat, dog. I didn't think they had got to my mind. They didn't even know, brother. I couldn't take it no more. So I talked to my father, bro. My father said, yo, don't do that. Even though we have got to a hard time, don't do that, dog. I'm listening to him, dog. And 2 days later, I get a call for this already. I'm here jump with joy, dog. I go early as possible. I go make same time do interview. Next day, I start right away. Give me so I just got on time. Bro.
Ready?
Yeah, man. At that uncle I will say.
God on time.
God on time. You see me?
So you're on the phone.
I just come check my exit because I know say must stress out. So.
Yeah, dog. Respect for that, you see me?
Yeah, man.
No flow, man.
Yeah, come push now, you see, guys.
I'm
bearing.
Yeah,
I push now.
Just be right.
Yeah, man.
If anything, we link to one idea.
Bro. That's alright. That's alright.
Daniel. Can you see baby out right now? You know watch it, baby.
She just did right this up play with her sitting there.
Yeah, if you watch her, she as you know look so she has to go zoops.
I swear to God, bro. She just did right this up play with her toys. You know, so when she moves, she sway for. Hi, auntie, baby.
Oh, that gate should have walked down.
Sorry, bro. That not going back again. Swear. Sorry.
Even.
Yeah, around so.
Just get paid and myself.
Boy, I'm happy, you know.
Just to make get half right.
So this is a favorite. Alright, my son, don't say alright. I'm gonna put this up real good, you know.
Man say next half, I get some grocery stuff for my daughter, like Pampers. And so look at other stuff what she needs. Because she really needs some clothes too.
Alright, my son, congratulations, you know.
You man, daddy, man. Man.
Alright.
You man, I just say, God and time, I work and patience.
Straight, faith.
Yeah, man.
Alright, I put this up good now, because I see everything on the fire and make some food, so dinner, you see me?
Alright.
Alright.
I have courage.
Yeah, some macaroni and cheese.
Oh, macaroni and cheese?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just I go and make a thing up. I play some for in the morning, Hello? Boy, I'm there in a what play? She don't know star, really? Me lose again. And my son give me a money, you know. To put up a pay the rent, you know. And see me lose the money. She don't know star. Boy, this thing are crazy, you know.
You see I love you, daddy.
Boy, my son. You're trying again, you know. I lose, you know, man. I right now, my play, you know.
You using rent money when me give you?
Yes, my
son.
son.
If you use Jesus Christ. Oh, if you use the rent money we give you, daddy. Oh, you go pay it now.
Boy, my son, they have to go back
again. Oh,
again.
you go pay it. Jesus.
Boy. My son.
Me give half of me pay to put on the rent money and still go gamble again. One to you.
Why, my son? I never mean to do it.
Why, my son, because you go gamble, you know say you where you say you triple, I think you want to fit money.
Yeah, that me not try, my son.
Daddy, you're foolish, I tell you, man. You're a big old man, you.
Boy, my father got boy, I don't know what I want to. Why? When me I go win that thing, man? Every time it's so close. Buy 15 and then pay 16, you know. Boy. Boy. I forgot buy about the number here, you know. I mean, I go win this time, you know, make my son proud of me, you know. I'm a daughter, you know. I'm a granddaughter, you know. Real life, you know. Nah, you know, brother. I forgot win this.
Then you can't believe that me give daddy half of the rent money and he tell me now say use that gamble. See you. Are you making that gamble like you? You and so me give him the money there and he use the whole of the rent money. I tell you what, India going in the shop by one number.
I can't believe this.
Daddy can't believe it. And that's all I have to say. You can't believe it.
I say, begging money for you should keep your next idiot, you know that is style. But no, you have to feel like nice. You know, should I keep the money? You know, that
you shouldn't even complain that we know some foolish like that you say.
You know, feel. With their food, with their money.
I win, my daughter. My daughter, my son. I win, you know. I win. Yes, I win. Thank you, Father God. We're out of poverty. Financial enough. Rich. Me rich. Yes, my daughter, we're rich. Rich.
Daddy, don't be nice. You know, since you're drunk, you're coming and beer nice there, please. I want to.
Yeah.
I remember if you just drink so many times,
alright, my daughter. We're rich.
Daddy, tell me.
We're out of poverty, you know, we're rich.
Give me.
We're rich, see that? We're rich.
Stop being nice, though. Yeah, idiot. You're not with no money, you idiot. You're about everything.
Yes, daughter, I'm rich.
You're idiot. Don't need that, you know, nothing. Daddy, shh.
We're rich, you know. Yeah.
I'm
yes, my daughter, I'm rich. My daughter, I'm rich.
I have to check my phone because I have to see that the real women. I check the phone to see if I can. I see that the real women number I have to. What played in Super Lotto today? Daddy really super lot of Gina. Daddy really lot of Jew.
I win, my daughter. My daughter, my son. I win, you know. I win. I win the Super Lotto. whole ticket them this. How much ticket there? Johnny here! Johnny! Johnny!
Yeah,
Johnny, yes, sister.
she not there.
Eh? Now, when you look super lot, you know, I mean, I look for my ticket. I mean, I see my ticket, you know. Where my ticket there? Eh? Where she there?
I don't know where ticket. Did you get her ticket?
No, I come in drunk last night and things.
And she take a ticket for you?
Me don't know. I never sober. When I drunk. So.
Christ.
So where she there? She not there where you there?
She not there.
So where she gone then? I win, you know. A million, you know.
You sure you win that?
I'm sure you win. $3 million. $3 million I win.
I wish you could have taken a ticket and do it.
Financial, no fright now. And then I the whole ticket them, see them? I the whole ticket them this.
Go look for her.
Huh?